Alright, what's up guys? It's Titanium here again, bringing you the second episode of Java tutorials. Today, as you can see from the title right here, we'll be talking about primitive data types. So there's three main primitive data types that you will be using, which are the int, which is an integer, the Boolean, which is a Boolean, and double. So you probably don't know what any of those are. Alright, so integers are any common numbers like 1, 2, 3, 15, 25, anything like that. That's what an integer is. So we'll set that equal to 5. And we're going to call this int num. You have to give it a name just like anything else. And then we are going to have, next we will put Boolean, which gives either a true or false response. So it's either going to be true or false every time. So we're going to set Boolean answer is equal to false. And then doubles are anything with a decimal. So if it's like 12.5, 13.2, any decimal number is what this will be. So right now we'll do 15.6. With 15.6, we're going to make this a double decimal, and that's going to be equal to 15.6. So now we're just going to write a small little private static void main string args, like usual, so we can run something. And we're going to see here, if num, we're going to talk about this later, this is just a if loop, if num is greater than decimal, then return true, else return false. So we're gonna make this, we're gonna do, let's do this, set Boolean, return answer is equal to, no, let's do this, we're gonna copy that, we're just gonna do this, here, num system dot out dot println, forgot that dot there, num plus decimal, and all it's going to do is it's going to take num and decimal. Well, we have to make these static because it's going to make it irritating, and Java's a little going to go crazy if we don't. So we're going to get these two numbers, and it's going to print it out over here to the, it's going to print it out to the answer, which is going to be like something over there. And if you do this, you'll get an answer out, which it'll come out to be like 20.6, and everything ran, so we all worked here. So now that this works, that's pretty much it. You can add, subtract integers and doubles and stuff, and you can set booleans equal to like true or false and return that back so you can get anything out of it. And that about sums it up. If you need anything else, or like if you get confused about any of these or want some questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So stay tuned for the next episode. I'm not sure what it's going to be on yet, but I'm thinking probably if loops. Well, we'll see what ends up happening. So let's just stick with that, and like this video, favorite, and subscribe to see the next one. Adios.